Welcome to Saliqa Mag. Subscribe for more tutorial. I'm your sewing instructor Sarah. I have 3 years of diploma and 9+ years of teaching experience. And today we are going to make this beautiful bow sleeve. This is, you can see here is a slit. It's open from here, and on the front there is a bow tie. So let's start today's tutorial. For this I'm using my basic pattern. How you can make this basic pattern, you can check in the link description, and I just fold it in 15 inches. So it depends how what length you want for your sleeve, quarter or half, whatever. So I'm just placing it on my fabric. My fabric is in only one layer because I'm going to cut two separate part of the fabric, and then we will join because we want to create here a slit. So after exactly tracing my fabric, we need here 1 inch for the sewing allowance, and after that here I'm just marking 11 inches. So this 11 inches is actually our tie length. You can make it more if you want more here, and almost 4 inches I'm marking here for the width. Width you can decrease if you want more narrow look, so you can take it like 3. So this all include the seam allowances, and here you can make here a curve. Sorry guys, I just noticed that my marking is not clear, but when I start cutting you can see clearly what exactly I mark on my fabric. So see, that's how here it's a curve and then a straight line that is 11 inches long, and this is only one layer of fabric, only single fabric, and this is for one sleeve. So same piece of sleeve I will cut for the other side, and this method you can repeat this for the other sleeve, but this in this complete tutorial I just make a one sleeve. So now I'm making the other part of my sleeve because there is a slit, you can understand. So 1 and 2, basically 2 parts we need for this sleeve. So this is my second part, and after that I will cut the lining. So see, for the second part make sure that it is opposite, and I just cut it by placing my existing sleeve. So after cutting that you can start the cutting of your lining part. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, just press a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See, that's how these are in 2 pieces now, and now we are going to cut our lining part. So for lining I'm using the same fabric. You can use any different fabric or different contrast color to make it to give it a different look, but anyhow I'm using the same fabric but a little bit plain design, and I'm just going to cut the same as it is as we just did in our previous part. So after cutting I will show you how you can stitch this step by step. This is very beautiful sleeve design, and you can easily do it by using your simple pattern that already I taught you in one of my previous videos. So I will give link in the description so you can check that pattern. So now we have 2 pieces, one is lining and one is the actual fabric, and see, that's how here I'm going to mark 2 inches and I will stitch from here. So first step is to stitch here till 2 inches. It depends how much open you want. So if you want full open, then 2 inches is enough. Otherwise you can stitches as much close as you want. So same thing you have to do with your lining. And now both pieces are done. Now we will open these both. See, you can see here the stitch. This is that stitch that I just stitched at 2 inches. Now open it and place lining and the actual fabric like this, right side on the right side, and pin up properly. And make sure all the edges are equal. And here you have to stitch all the way 3 sides like this, and here you will go like this and like this. Okay, so I just stitch it all the way. Now I'm going to see, this side is open and this armhole side is also open. So I'm just now marking small cuts, because in this curved line it will be easy to turn, and after that I will iron it properly. So take some time on this step, because this all will depend on the neatness, because this step will give you more neatness in your final look. So properly make small cuts and then go to your iron, and see, that's how you have to turn it inside out, something like this. And properly press it. If you have steam press, then steam press it. And after that, see, now I just press it all the way, and this is how it will look after pressing. This is the lining side and this is the other side. Now we are going to make, see, that's how you can use the turning part. And now I'm going to stitch the fitting line of this sleeve. This slit is basically my center of the sleeve, and this open side is my fitting side. So I'm just going to mark stitch my fittings lines. So you have to keep it like this, and this way 1 inch difference you have to mark here. Now guys, at this point you may be confused, because this will become so bulky and you will be amazed at what to do now. So don't be confused. Take a little time to turn it inside out, because it's a bit complicated at this step. So but make sure that you stitch rightly. That's how you have to adjust it, and turn it inside out. And let me show you the whole armhole that you actually have to attach with your dress part. So see, this is that armhole that you actually attach with your dress. Hope you understand the concept. See, this is the slit that will come in the center, and this is the tie. So ties depend how you want to tie it. You can make it a bow, or you can leave it as a ribbon or something like this. So it's all depend on your choice. And now just attach this as a regular sleeve, and your sleeve is done. Please give me your feedback. So let's try on the dummy, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I'm planning to teach you more designs of sleeves in this playlist. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.